Well, it's minus 30 with the wind chill. It's a cold one. Poor baby. Have to see if we could start her up. That manual choke in here. It's going to be fun. This shouldn't be too bad. Let's see if this thing will start in this freezing cold weather. It's a manual choke, so you know what that means. Still needs a couple more adjustments on the carb done. Maybe even the timing a little bit. But it's hard to do anything in this weather. I know. So let's see if we get some heat going in here, though. Some people, like myself, that's music to our ears. It's a little choppy. See if it smoothens out once it warms up more. She warms up, she gets going good. Thing looks like a quarter-mile racer. Light to light, baby. Let's go. Just kidding. I drive her like a little baby. She's gonna wish I'd take her to the track. Maybe we will. We'll see. We will see. I mean, if somebody pulls up beside me and thinks they're all gonna race me out, I'll give them a little show. No doubt. ready for the drag strip, man.